Good evening friends. Today I am here to tell you something about the education system in India. So friend, all the elements that are responsible for educating a child or a young for their job and for their life comprises of education system. In different countries, every country follow the different pattern of their education. As India, we are following 10 plus 2 pattern till the 12th class, and after that we have different courses for 3 years, 4 years, and some are for 5 years and 6 years. In our education system, our education mostly focus on the theoretical knowledge till class 12th. After the class 12th, our focus is on the practical as well as the theoretical knowledge. So nowadays our government is introduced the new education policy for solving this problem. They are, still it is not implemented in our country. There are so many political parties that are opposing these things because they are telling that in the new education policy there will be separation between the higher and the lower employed people. Recently in the education policy of India, the people could not choose the subject by their own choice, as there is a set of subject like in after the class 10th we have to choose physics, math, or if we have to choose the biology, then we could not choose the mathematics with it. So these are the some disadvantages of present education system in India. As we could see from the last 15 means from last 50 to 60 years, our education system has not been changed till now. So at this time, really we need to change it. The education system comes under the list of union as well as in the state list. According to the state list, they are organizing their state board like the MP board, Maharashtra board, UP board, and etc. But the union government could also took the consolidated decision on this education system. So at last, I want to conclude my speech by saying that if we have to make our country strong and very strong in every field, then we have to focus on our education system more and more.